So now we're going to do an example on how to find grade. We said that grade is always expressed in a percent. So guys, what do we need to make sure of with regard to units for our rise and our run if we know that we want our end result to be a percent?
They need to be the same.
They need to be the same is exactly right. So if we see, for example, on this map, we have a contour interval of 5 meters. So that means we know our elevation is in meters. What unit do we want our run to be?
Meters.
Meters is right. Exactly. Okay, so let's do a quick example that is just an arbitrary one. Let's say we have point A, and point A has an elevation of 410 meters, and point B has an elevation of 200 meters. We have measured the horizontal distance in between the two using our ruler. We've converted using our scale, and we've come up with our distance between the two as 3 kilometers. How are we going to find the grade in between these 2 points? What's the first thing that we do?
You find the rise by subtracting 410 from 200.
Exactly. The rise is going to equal 410 meters, which is the elevation at point A, minus the elevation at point B, which comes to
210.
210 meters. What's next?
You would simply convert kilometers or meters to kilometers. 3 kilometers to meters.
Which is how many? How many meters in 1 kilometer?
1,000.
1,000 is exactly right. 1,000 times 3?
3,000.
Easy. 3,000 meters. Who has a calculator handy? I have one. So, what we're going to do then is we're going to divide 210 by 3,000, and that equals 0.07. Are we done?
No.
Why not?
You have to convert it to
Convert it with 2%. How do we do that?
1%. Move
Move
the decimal over.
the decimal over.
Yeah.
Right? So we multiply it by 100, and that gives us our percent, which is 7% grade. Is that steep?
Yes.
Yeah. Is it?
Well, it's steeper than you can drive.
Steeper than a truck, right? Steeper than you want to drive on. What if I said that instead of 7% grade, I said it was 2 meters per kilometer? Which one of those sounds right? It's sometimes it's easier to understand stuff in the gradient by saying feet per kilometer.